This is the time of the year when we spend more time indoors, so it's always nice to add some color to the home. And there's some great flowering plants that provide flowers for quite a period of time. This is the Reiger begonia, and if you go to Europe, you'll see almost every home will have one of these in the windowsill because they flower so nicely over the fall and winter. And they come in a broad range of colors, the Reiger begonias. Here's another nice one, and this is called the Peruvian violet. That's the most predominant color, and it's very pretty because of the yellow centers. But there's also available in a white variety as well. And they do flower for a long period of time, so really a nice plant for the home. And then if you have a cool spot in the home, this is a plant that you might enjoy using, and that's the evergreen azalea. And the beauty of them is that they're heavily budded, so if you choose them when they're in bud, they'll last for a long period of time and provide you lots of color in the home, but they do require a cool area. Now they tend to dry out quite rapidly, so it's important for you to check their watering needs, and one of the ways to do it is just like I'm doing here, holding it up. When it's heavy, you know it has enough water, but when it's light, then it's in need of additional water. But a cool room is ideal for it. And here's another one for a cool spot in the home for color. It is the cyclamen. And look at the foliage of the cyclamen. It's almost as pretty as the flower. And if we look down deep into the foliage, look at there, all the buds yet to come, so it's going to flower for a long period of time. Cyclamens, again, come in a wide range of colors as well. And for a hot room in the home, maybe the little miniature roses. This is a variety called Charming Parade, but there are lots of miniature roses. And then next spring you could put these out into the garden. You can see how they're loaded with buds, and yet there are some flowers already out. So they're going to flower for a long period of time, giving them lots of bright light in the home. And like all the flowering plants, you want to check their watering needs probably every 2 to 3 days. And kind of for seasonal color, it's pretty hard to beat the decorative or ornamental peppers. They come in such a wide range of colors. Now these are edible, but since we don't know what's been sprayed on them because they've been greenhouse grown, I wouldn't suggest that you eat these at all. They're really decorative ornamental plants, but very, very attractive ones. Now, here's a hibiscus, which is a very attractive plant also for winter color in the home. They'll flower better in the bright lights of summer and spring season, but they also do flower on a limited basis during the winter. And that gives you an idea of just a few of the plants that provide indoor color at this time of the year. Add them to your home to add a bright spot of color to the home during the winter months.